Good morning. We have gathered here today for the virtual tour of our school RPS Global Harsukki Nagalia Jattari Aligarh. The school was established in the year 2017. So this is the main entrance of the school.
Yes.
As a part of COVID-19 safety protocols, we ensured that all the visitors and staff entering the premises should wear proper masks, should be sanitized, and get their temperature monitored by the guard at the entrance itself. The school is situated at the beautiful outskirts of town Jattari, away from the hustle and bustle of the town, and is surrounded by lush green flora. And this gives an eco-friendly and spacious environment for the students to nurture. The school campus is protected by a perimeter. We have a 7 feet high brick boundary wall from all the sides.
Yes.
The vision of RPS Global School is to provide a conducive environment for the overall development of our students, from acing and taking part in regional sports, securing excellent academics, and moving towards a brighter future is what the students at RPS Global are known for. We move ahead with a mission in our mind, a mission to educate all the children in the remote areas, promoting the idea for education to all. Towards our left, we have the parking space where the students and the staff can park their bicycles as well as their other motor vehicles.
Yes.
Now, let's take you to our main school reception area where we welcome our students, their guardians, and all our visitors with folded hands. Every morning, school management and staff start their day by lighting a diya, which resembles positivity and creates a harmonious effect in our school. This is the school reception area, and towards the left is the account's office, where all the account related details are maintained. Towards the right is the principal's office, which is well connected with a CCTV camera to monitor all the activities happening outside the classrooms. The principal's desk has a timetable of all the classes, teachers, and the daily attendance record book of the teaching and non-teaching staff. Our vision and our mission are the guiding force of RPS Global School. Now, let's take you to our assembly area. With a stage height of almost 4 feet, the morning assembly and the other school events are held here. Our assembly are based on special days and values, and each class gets an opportunity to present and conduct assembly on a rotational basis. Assembly is a great way to start a day, starting by praying to Almighty for well-being of mankind, taking pledge to be an individual to be proud of his country, and to strive to become resourceful, respectable, and responsible citizen of our country.
Yes.
We have an outdoor space for drinking water. As we can see, all taps are in running condition, and we have a hand pump system as well.
Yes.
We have separate washroom for both boys and girls. If we go inside, we have height appropriate wash basins. To ensure cleanliness, we have regular audits by principal and staff members to ensure washrooms are properly cleaned and sanitized on a regular basis.
Start.
When the school is in running condition, always a lady attendant is ensured to be available in the toilets to ensure not more than 5 students enter in the washroom to avoid the chaos and injuries caused by the chaos.
Yes.
Our school is equipped with a huge playground. Towards our right, we can see it's a volleyball ground. We can see the basketball ground. We also have Kabaddi and Kho-Kho teams in our school. They have secured second position at the district level from the school.
Yes.
Now, let us take you to our computer lab. Our computer lab is equipped with 20 plus computers with all the relevant backup supply and up-to-date softwares required for the school curriculum. Now we are here, we are showing you the classrooms. We have 33 classrooms in total. Out of them, 17 are the main classrooms which are relevant for the students. And the others are the labs, the computer lab, the science lab, the biology lab, the composite lab, and the sports room. Good morning. This is the infirmary of the school. We have a bed where all the students can rest comfortably. The 6 students can rest comfortably. We have a weighing machine. We have a sphygmomanometer. We have all the kinds of medicines. We have a table. We have a first aid box and a wheelchair for the students, for the disabled students, for the very sick students.
Start.
Now, we are proceeding towards the first floor. We have a very spacious staircase so that the students don't get injured. Towards our right, we have the space for drinking water for all the students. The drinking water area is connected with chillers and RO system.
Yes.
This is the staff room area. We have our teachers' staff room at first floor to help them prepare their lectures to be delivered to the students. Staff room help teacher to make their lesson plans for a smooth and better learning.
Yes.
Now we are proceeding towards our composite lab. These labs are made to give life to the subject and to provide practical understanding of concepts pertaining to each subject. The math lab helps to remove fear around the subject. It is said that mathematical problems are visualized and students find a solution much faster.
Yes.
He's our maths teacher. He maintains all the records of the maths lab.
Yes.
Now moving further, we are moving towards the music cum dance room. Our music room is well equipped with all the musical instruments such as tabla, harmonium, piano, casio, drums and congo. This is our music teacher. As we know, sports and extracurricular activity are also important ingredients for an overall development of a child. Our school is equipped with a huge playground which is used for the outdoor sports, as well as we have many games which are indoor games. The board games, we have football, basketball, kho-kho and kabaddi team, and lots of athletic activities. Students enjoy playing different sports in assigned periods which are notified to them via timetables. During Sports Day program, which is our school annual feature, students showcase their strength and motor skills.
Yes.
Now we are proceeding further towards our biology lab. We have our lab teacher who maintains all the records, and now he will explain further about the biology lab.
Good afternoon, welcome to our biology labs. As you can see, we have different type of the model of animals and test tubes, and like I explain you Ascaris, silkworm, cockroach, Livio model, penis of the female corn, and union, microscope, dissection tray and test tube holders, lamp, watch glass, flask, and again microscope, dropper, test tube, and this is the model of any plant like Selenia, Postania, dry prestige, lichen, fascia, P tendons, and this is the skeletons, which is show the different type of the bones, and this is SRF, which maintain all extra equipment and accessories of the lab. And this is, there are different type of the chart showing different part of the body, skeleton system.
Start.
Next chart is digestive system, which show the different part of the digestion, and next is the kidney and skin excretory organs, which show the different part of the excretory organs, and there we also have a tab and running condition. And also we have
Now we are moving further towards our physics lab. Our physics lab has an arrangement of 20 students at a time to carry out experiment enlisted in their syllabus. This is our physics lab teacher who maintains all the records. He will explain you further.
I have 2 meter bridge, weight machine, magnetic compass, bar magnet, 1 rheostat, galvanometer, voltmeter, Ohm's law apparatus, resistance box, thermometer, transistor characteristic apparatus, and 2 optical benches.
Yes.
Now we are moving further towards the chemistry lab. Our chemistry lab is well maintained to carry out all the relevant experiments enlisted in the class-wise syllabus. Our lab meet all the requirements for senior secondary level. As we can see, the essential equipment and the glassware apparatus are kept on each workstation. The rest unused equipments like reagent, bottles, chemicals, salts are kept on the table.
Yes.
We have these racks where we can put the extra things which are required for the experiments. We have charts all over pasted in the lab, which gives a pictorial representation for the students for a better understanding. Let's have a glimpse of our library. We ensure all the COVID safety norms before entering the library area. Our library has more than 2,500 plus books. Our library has good and a vast collection of books for children to enucleate healthy reading habits. Subject-related books are also stacked under the references. Here we have our librarian who keeps all the records of the library, of all the books which are stacked in the library.
Good morning. Myself Pankaj Kumar Sharma. I am librarian here. I have joined this institute since 1st of April 19. I am working here since 19.